All right, if you've been following, I posted a video talking about, you know, work smarter, not harder. That's my motto up in this kitchen. So while I was preparing my veggies for hot and sour soup, I had some orzo that I needed to use, and I'm making 2 different salads using that one orzo. While I was prepping the veg for the soup, I banged out the veg for the separate salads. Right now we're gonna do the Mediterranean orzo. So in here, all the ratios are gonna be in the full recipes in the captions. I'm just gonna quickly run it down. Celery, shredded carrots, garlic, red onion is in this bowl, and it's going into some toasted orzo. Then I got half a cup of parsley, half a cup of chopped dill, you know, herbs. Herbs are the medicine up in here. Put half a cup of roasted red peppers. I'm going to put a juice of 1 lemon in here. They look super juicy, so I'm going with 1. But you can go 2, because a little citrus ain't hurt nobody. See what I mean? Juicy. Olive oil. Sea salt. Don't be afraid to use salt, because salt is a flavor. Our body needs the minerals that are found in sea salt. Please don't use iodized table salt. That's not for ingesting. I use that shit to clean my bongs, just saying. So if I don't put it in my vessel, you shouldn't either. 143 on that timer. Source sending out I love you. If you follow me, you know how this one goes. If you're new here, I'm intuitively led, so. Some feta cheese, which I just used a fork to crumble it up in the container. I'm putting about half a cup of this. If you look at my recipes, there's a theme. I like keeping them fucking simple. No second guessing up in this biznatch. Gonna give it a nice mixy mix. And also, if you pay attention, all the food here looks like the rainbow. Why? Because I'm feeding my chakras. Food is medicine up in here. Every ingredient corresponds with a chakra. It has a purpose in our body. So if you read the recipe and read further down, I'm going to have the energetics of all these ingredients and what it does for your vessel. So once you know the functions of the ingredients, it's easier to get in there and have fun cooking. So I hope I'm inspiring someone out there to get in the kitchen and cook for yourself and raise your frequency, because cooking with fresh ingredients is a surefire way to do that. Look how delicious this is. This is your bite. Because think about it. You go to fast food. Do they have any fresh herbs or anything fucking fresh in there to begin with? No, not really. Because why? They want to keep you sluggish and weighed the fuck down. I'm here to keep you light and floaty so you ascend the fuck out of this hell. Just saying.